You got the promotion because you were the best technician on the team. You solved the hard problems. You were the one people came to. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody tells you on day one: the exact skill that got you promoted is now the thing most likely to make you fail as a manager. Let me explain, and show you how to flip it. In the next few minutes I'll show you the single biggest trap new IT managers fall into, the 3 modes every manager works in, and one mindset shift that changes how your team sees you. Stick to the end, I've got a free first 90 days checklist that puts all of this into action. As a specialist, your value was what you could do. Could you fix the incident? Write the code? Design the network? Your expertise was your currency. As a manager, you're measured by something completely different: what your team delivers, not what you deliver personally. It sounds like a small shift. It's actually enormous. Because the temptation is to keep doing the thing you're great at. And that's the trap. The most common mistake new IT managers make is behaving like a senior technician with a bigger title. You jump into the technical problems yourself instead of helping your team solve them. You spend the day fixing servers and writing code instead of planning, coaching, and clearing obstacles. It feels comfortable, because it's what you know. It feels productive, because you're doing tangible things. But while your head's down in a ticket, the things only you can do as a manager aren't happening: setting clear direction, removing blockers for your people, developing their skills, building stakeholder relationships, and planning ahead so the team is never caught off guard. Your expertise still matters in a real crisis, a genuine knowledge gap, a critical decision. Contribute then. But make it the exception, not your default setting. At any moment, you're in one of 3 modes. Operator, keeping the lights on, day-to-day delivery, escalations, operational reviews. Builder, growing capability, developing your team, improving processes, running projects. Strategist, planning ahead, where the business is going, the IT roadmap, stakeholder relationships. Most new managers spend nearly all their time as operator. Your goal over the first 12 to 18 months is to deliberately claw back time for builder and strategist work, because that's where your real leverage is. One last shift, and it's the most powerful. As a specialist, if you made a mistake, you fixed it. Simple, personal accountability. As a manager, when your team makes a mistake, you own it. You don't deflect to individuals. You say, "My team got this wrong, here's what happened, here's what we're doing about it." And when things go right, you give the credit to the people who did the work. Carry the failures, share the credit. Do that consistently and you'll build trust and loyalty faster than any technical fix ever earned you. So, stop being the best technician. Watch for the trap of staying heads down. Shift time toward builder and strategist. And own the failures while sharing the credit. If you're stepping into a new IT manager role, grab the free first 90 days checklist in the description. It turns everything here into a day-by-day plan. And if this was useful, subscribe. Next week I break down exactly what to do in your first 30 days. I'm glad you're here. Led well.